If you want to enhance your Xbox security by removing old devices, follow these simple steps to ensure that only your current devices are linked to your account. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account website and sign in using the credentials associated with your Xbox account. This will give you access to your security settings. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the SRC.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. View your devices. In the security settings, look for an option that says Manage Devices or Your Devices. Click on it to see a list of all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select all devices. Review the list of devices and identify the ones you no longer use or recognize. Click on the device you want to remove to select it. Step 5. Remove the device. After selecting the old device, look for an option to remove or delete. Confirm your choice to remove the device from your account. By following these steps, you can keep your Xbox account secure and ensure that only your current devices have access. Regularly managing your devices is a good practice for maintaining your account security.